Before we can survey a spool, we need to create a design file. To enter this manually, we can use the design input system. However, if you can get an IDF or PCF file produced by these systems, then you can quickly import this information, making you a design file in moments. Simply place the IDF or PCF file within the appropriate location in the Survey Data folder, press the Open Edit button within Automet, then select the file to import. Once imported, you can check each component against the ISO by highlighting and checking the orange box on the left. Some IDF or PCF files will contain more than one file. If this is the case, you'll see the list on the right side when you highlight the file. Select the one you want to upload and select Confirm. If there are brake flanges included, you will also have all the separate spools as different design files after you save the file. These can also be surveyed individually. If you see a red square on any of the components, this means the system isn't sure about what has been imported. For these items, check them manually. It is possible that the component doesn't exist in our database. In this case, you will need to create a user fitting. See the link in the video description to see the wiki page that explains how to do this.